This video provides an overview of the web app system interface, covering the menu bar, control area, and status bar. The menu bar is organized into 3 levels. The top level menus are Initial, Program, Status, Application, and System. The initial setup consists of 3 parts: Basic, Safety, and Peripherals. The base includes settings for mounting, coordinate systems, payload, joints, I/O, home point, and configuration files. Let's go through them one by one. Mounting includes free installation and fixed installation. World TCP settings are currently unavailable. Currently, you can set up the tool coordinate system, external tool coordinate system, and workpiece coordinate system. The payload setting includes the terminal load in the sensor load. The sensor load requires the addition of a sensor for use. Joint settings include soft limit settings, collision level settings, and friction compensation settings. I/O setup include DI settings, DO settings, AI settings, alias settings, filter settings, and output reset settings. Last is the home point settings and configuration file interface. Safety settings include safe stop, safe speed, eval security, emergency stop, protective stop, safety plane, interference area. Reduction mode, daemon, power detection, and motion configuration. The final item in the initial setup is the peripheral device. Enter factors such as grippers, force sensors, and welding handles. Include compatible devices and open protocols for selection. Spray gun. Welder, featuring 3 control types. Extended access, featuring 2 communication methods. Line laser sensor, polishing, auxiliary sensor, combination device. Board communication. Array suction cup, including unicast mode and broadcast mode. Program includes program teaching, graphical programming, node graph programming, and teaching points. Coding. This interface supports Lua programming, enabling rapid command generation through the command module. Using point-to-point commands as an example, we can quickly generate point-to-point motion programs. Visual programming allows users to program by dragging and dropping code blocks within this interface, reducing the difficulty of programming. Node graph programming enables robot programming. 3 simple drag and drop operations and minimal parameter input, achieved by creating nodes, connecting nodes, and editing node parameters. Teaching points, including all points recorded by the web app. Status information includes system logs and status queries. System logs provide information on robot operations, errors, and other events. Status query. By selecting different parameters, you can query changes in parameter data. Auxiliary applications include tool applications and process packages. Tool applications include robotic packaging, data backup, data recording, and LED. Drag locking, intersection generation, peripheral protocol, and G-code conversion. The process package includes a welding expert library, containing various workpiece shapes and posture adjustments. Torque, stiffness level, palletization, and conveyor tracking. System settings include general settings, account settings, region configuration, about, custom information, and maintenance. General settings include common basic settings such as time settings, network settings, and system language. Account settings include user management, authority management, and operation. Region configuration allows you to import and manage tools. The above shows the robot model and serial number, the web version and control box version used for operation, as well as the hardware version and firmware version. Custom information and maintenance mode are currently not available to the public and are password protected. The control panel contains 4 buttons, with the Enable button used to activate the robot, Start button used to run the teaching program, Stop button used to control the termination of the current program, Pause, Resume button used to pause and resume the current teaching program. Finally, let's introduce the status bar. Robot status display: stopped, running, pause, drag. Percentage of operating speed. Click and drag to adjust the speed. Mode switching, for switching between manual and automatic modes. Robot operational status display: when the icon appears black, it indicates the robot is currently operating normally. When the icon appears red, it indicates an error has occurred during robot operation. Clicking it will display the specific error message. Click the drop-down menu bar. Tool coordinate system number displays the currently applied tool coordinate system number. Workpiece coordinate system number displays the currently applied workpiece coordinate system number. External axis coordinate system number displays the currently applied external axis coordinate system number. Load ID displays the current application's load ID. Robot drag switch for toggling between drag mode and non-drag mode. Switching to drag mode requires manual mode. Connection status: this icon appears black when the robot is connected and red when it is disconnected. Boot mode: tap the icon to enter boot mode. Account information displays the username and permissions. Click to log out the user. That concludes the introduction to the web app system's initial interface. Thank you for watching.